I want to point out something really cool that you can do with equations, which is to just add them up, subtract them, multiply them. You can do stuff to whole equations that you could also think about doing to variables. Like everyone knows you can add a and b together, right? But did you also know you can add two equations together? Just add everything up, and it's going to produce another equation, which is also true. This is a very useful technique for solving what's called a system of equations. When you have two equations and two variables, you try adding them together. Or if that doesn't work, try subtracting them from each other. Okay, so if I add these up, look what I get. A plus A is 2A. B minus B, that's nothing. So those cross out. And negative 9 plus 5, well, that's going to be negative 4 from the looks of it. So 2A equals negative 4. That's easy to solve. That just gives us A equals negative 2. I divide each side by 2. Now, that's not what I'm looking for. I want the value of A times B. Okay, so it's not enough to know A. I also need to know B. So here's where we use our next trick. This is called substitution. You take that A equals negative 2 and plug it back in here into your system of equations and solve one of them. So I'm going to take this guy. A plus B equals negative 9. Well, how about negative 2 plus B equals negative 9? Okay, add 2 to each side. We're going to balance the equation and solve for B. So what we get is B equals, looks like negative 7. So here are our two solutions for A and B, which we could only solve because we had two equations to work with. Now multiply them together, what do we get? 14.